Morning everyone, welcome back. So we did finish this bag last night. It's not technically finished, but I'll show you that a bit later on. Yeah, we went to about 9:30 and we got that done. We're only like one fold away, so yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go over to the truck here and we're gonna see if we can get that to start, because we didn't try it yesterday throughout the day. So yeah, we'll see if it starts, and then we get a bit of a gauge and a bit of an idea of how much air holds in that system throughout the day. I know the truck will start, you know, it's got battery, it's got everything like that. It's just I'm testing to see how long that starter tank lasts. At the moment, so I only started this yesterday at, I don't know, 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's now 6:53 the next day. So we're going to see if 24 hours this thing can hold its charge for, and we know that during the day it's fine. So if there's a fire during the day, just as long as we've started this in the morning, I'm always going to be able to start this and get going to a fire. And 24 hours is still good. So yeah, we're just testing everything just to make sure, just to get our idea. Now yes, I know you're going to say, John, why don't you fix the leak on there? Well, we don't know where the leak is, and why not put a tap on there? Yeah, it's easier doing it this way. I've got the air compressor down there, so you know, in the mornings I can just come and turn the air compressor on while I fill brine, come back, have the truck ready to go. So no, very good that that's working. Oh, you might also see I'm wearing a vest. It is freezing at the moment. It's like 10-11 degrees. So I'm hoping we'll get going. When we finished last night, our moisture was about 11%, and we haven't had a dew, so yeah, we should be right. And we'll start bagging at 14%, maybe 14.5 anyway, just so we can get rolling. These next few days are a little cool, and then we've got another few hot days after that, so we'll see what happens. So I've got a nice long bag. So these are 75 metre bags. You can get 100 metre bags. We choose 75 because they're a lot more easy to manhandle than what a 75 metre is. And we normally go until you got 5 folds left on your bag here, and we spray a spray paint line. Spray a spray paint line, and when that line gets to the back here, we pull up, like we finish the bag, and that just gives us enough for the bag to, the debagger, to be able to get on. If we leave it too short, the grain's too heavy, we can't, it's just a nightmare. So with it being that close, I'm going to just take this bag off, because we've got a bag here to replace it with, and then that means we can just get rolling. Instead, we don't have Brian this morning, he's got a truck audit, so our bins are full. So instead of the guys going harvesting to get one chaser load, we're just going to start a new bag now. And I didn't think we had a dew or any rain, and I reckon we had a shower here, because that's all wet, which is unfortunate. I didn't realise we had that. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you how we get this bag off. Where am I going to put you? The way a bag works is this is the brake system, and it's just got brakes. So you have your tractor in neutral, and you have the PDO going, and it just, the pressure of the grain pushes us forward. So we set our brakes at whatever pressure we want, and then it pushes it forward. So I know the next thing you're going to ask, how many tonne do you fit in a bag, John? Well, for that, I don't actually know. It varies. So depending on how much brake pressure you put in. So if you're only putting in 70 psi, your bag's not going to be as full. If you put in 90 psi, your bag's going to get fuller. Barley obviously weighs different to wheat. I think we work on about roughly 180 tonne to a bag of barley, and maybe about 220 tonne of wheat is what we work on. We are underway, we are bagging. Our moisture currently is, well, the last one I did, which is, I'm gonna guess it's somewhere around here, was 13.2, and actually probably a bit further back. Anyway, when we did our moisture this morning, so Henry did our sample to see if we could get going, we're 13.6. We were going to start at 14.5 just so we can get going. And then they had the, well, they've got this whole piece to do, so, well, this half of the paddock. So they did the outside lap. Now the outside lap has got greenery in it, and yeah, it was a bit greener. Anyway, it was 15%, as you can see right there. So I'm going to put a line about here. That there's 15. This here can be 13.2, and we'll be all right. Now, spray paint cans. I hate Spray Easy from Bunnings. The worst. The best spray paint you can get from Bunnings is a brand called Squirts. And hang on, what am I writing? 2. The reason I hate this one. Now my phone's going off. I need to know the date. It's the 21st. 21st of the 10th, 24. So I hate these ones because the nozzle is tiny and it gets blocked up very quickly, very easy, and your spray paint comes out looking like that. The Squirts. Now the Squirts is just, they've got a big nozzle on there. You get a beautiful spray pattern as it comes out. It's just amazing. Whoever thought we'd be having this conversation about spray paint, hey? But here we are. So Brian, I haven't heard from him, but I don't even know if we'll see him today. We'll just see how the day goes. We might see him for a load, not too sure, but we'll just keep on bagging. So this is obviously my job. I've got the drone with me, so I might put the drone up and show you guys bagging from the air because it's so exciting, but this will be something different. Did you enjoy the thrilling drone show showing you guys bagging? It's not very exciting, but it is it's a very handy tool for us. We use it for, like, right now our storage is full and we don't have Brian here, so we'd be stopped otherwise. And we also use it when it comes to high grain. So we use we will put like 15% moisture, 14.5, something like that. And then we will also get another bag with like that yesterday stuff, so 11%. And at the end of the season, we'll blend them out 1 for 1, and then we'll deliver it. That'll be about 13%. And what it means is that when we couldn't get going because of high moisture, we can get going, and we just blend it out. And basically, it just means that we finish harvest sooner. we reduce our risk. So every day that the crop is out there in the paddock, it is at risk of obviously fire, but more importantly, wind and hail. We get very bad wind here, and yeah, you can wipe out a crop in no time with wind. So yeah, now if I've done my calculations correct with editing and when all these videos are coming out, this video should be coming out on Movember, on 1st of November, that is. So today for me, it's the 21st of October. Obviously YouTube's delayed. Nothing I can do about that. It makes it a lot easier for me when I delay the videos, especially come harvest, because I can't edit them at night like I normally do. You know, I'm getting home at 9:30, 10 at night. I'm not going to sit there and edit for an hour and a half to then get the video out for the next day. So I, as you guys know, I bank them up, and they just roll out. You know, there are 3 videos a week. So yes, YouTube's delayed. I apologise for that. Not much I can do. But it is Movember today, and we are starting our Movember campaign, and we're kicking it off. So guys, the links are below for Henry, myself, the team. I'll put them all down below, and we would very much appreciate you guys to support us this year on Movember. Last year you were absolute legends. We set our goal at 4,000. You guys blew us out the water. We hit 15.5. So this year I thought, you know what, I've got an amazing supportive community on YouTube. You guys are just the absolute best. I love all the interactions that you guys give me. You know, all the likes, the shares, but most importantly, the comments. You know, it's like having a chat. You know, being able to talk. So yeah, it's great to be able to interact with you guys, and you're a supportive, amazing community. And this year we've set our target at $20,000. It seems huge. I don't know how we're going to get there, but I know that we can. I know we can get there. And if we do get there, guys, the old hair is going to turn blue, and we'll go and get that dyed. And to be honest, I want blue hair. So let's get to the $20,000 mark. Now, the Henry is doing it for mental health. I am doing it for prostate cancer. The team's doing it for both. They are all amazing causes. Movember is just a fantastic organisation that gets the support out there, that gets the research out there, that funds the research, and just helps everybody. So guys, it's an amazing organisation that I'm proud to be a part of, and I'm proud to support. And I'd love your guys' support to get us there. Now, you guys already know, but I've bought hats, some Tom's Brook hats. They've got Movember supporter on the side. They've got the moustache on the side. So I'm going to give them away to people who donate over $200 or $200 and over. Now that is, I've only got about 45 to give away. It's first come, first serve with those donations. So I apologise if you don't get one, but I hope it doesn't deter you guys from donating. I love the support, and we will have to figure out a shop, or I don't know if someone is tech savvy or knows anything about websites and setting up shops and merchandise. Send me an email. Email's also down below, and then maybe eventually we could have a shop with hats and stuff like that. But for the time being, it's going to be the Movember hats, and I'd love your support, guys, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much. I know you guys will do. You guys will go and donate. Now we've got doesn't matter, $2, $200, whatever you can donate is all we appreciate. And we've also, I forgot to mention, we've also got the 3/4 inch rattle gun from Jacob Colson. I've got a Terminator mug to give away, and Darren from Mallee Rural Contracting has also got a Yeti water bottle that he's thrown in for support of Movember. So they will go to anybody who donates anything. $2, $3, $10, $20, $30, whatever it is. Anybody's in the chance to win those, and that'd be a fantastic prize to win. So thank you again, guys. And if you want to see the Movember stuff live, I'll be very active on Instagram with stories and things like that. So head over to Instagram. Again, that's linked below for the live. But of course, it's going to be on here as well. But you just won't see me growing the Tash live is all over Movember. So again, thank you. And we'll get back to... I'll get back to just sitting here. They're all out there harvesting. Paige is coming in now. So I'm going to fire the tractor up in probably about 5 minutes and just keep on bagging. Well, the skin's shiny and the zinc is on. The sun is out in force at the moment, and we have just finished a bag. So we're about to go and chuck a new one on, and we should actually have Brian not too far away. He left town, I don't know, about an hour ago, so he will be maybe 20 minutes. We're still gonna have to put a bag on because he won't be able to keep up to us. But yeah, well, wrong gear. So we'll chuck a bag on anyway, because we're gonna have to have it no matter what. And yeah, then we'll have the bag ready for when about 300 meters off your run pace. When the 100 tonner is full again. So when he gets here, he's just gonna go straight under that 100 tonner. We'll load him, send him on his way. So yeah, let's go put a new bag on. Just like that, Brian's here. So we got that bag started at least, which is good. So we'll load Brian, then the guys will go into the 100 tonner, and that'll probably keep them occupied for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and then we'll be going back into the bag. That didn't last long. We are going back into the bag now. Paige is on her way in, and we will yeah, we'll just go into the bag. We'll definitely be finishing this bag today, and then we'll probably starting another one. Where are we? So Brian is at CBH now. He's still probably another half hour off getting here, to which we'll fill him, send him on his way. He'll go to town because town closes at 4, so yeah, he can't do any more. And yeah, we'll just keep bagging. I don't know, I'd have to ask Henry. We've got 100, maybe 100 and something hectares. So we should finish that paddock tomorrow, and then we'll be straight into the canola there, and we'll hopefully finish the canola, and then from canola into barley. That's the plan. Plans obviously change, but that's the plan right now. Keep bagging, finish the barley, get into the canola. So Paige is nice and full there, and I've gone and got another bag ready to go for tonight, because Brian will be back in, I don't know, a little bit, maybe about half an hour, but we'll be going into bag bar at stage, and then yeah, we'll just go into the bag after that, because he'll take his next load to town, I think. We'll see what happens. And yeah, look, I reckon we'll leave the video there. There's not much more going on, more of a showing you guys the bagging side of things today, with the bagging and the chasers and the truck. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Now again, that Movember link is down below, so if you guys are able to donate, we would very much appreciate it. And my Instagram is also linked below as well. So oh, fly, God, that's gracious. So yeah, that's linked down below. And yeah, if you want to see the mustache growing live, things like that, I'll be doing stories and things over there, so head over there to go and see that. But of course it will be on here as well, just a bit delayed. So again guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next one.